For the majority of people, saving money for retirement is a top priority. It can be difficult, however, to know where to start or how to save for something that seems so far away. A traditional IRA is one option for retirement savings. This video will explain what a traditional IRA is, how it works, and some of the benefits of using one. A traditional IRA is a tax-advantaged individual retirement account that allows you to save for retirement on a tax-deferred or tax-free basis. Contributions to a traditional IRA may be deductible on your federal income tax return, and earnings grow tax-deferred until withdrawn. Withdrawals before age 59 and a half may be subject to a 10% early withdrawal penalty unless they are used for certain qualifying purposes. An IRA or individual retirement account is a tax-advantaged investment account in the United States. It was created in 1974 with the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, ERISA. The original purpose of IRAs was to help individuals save for retirement. Traditional IRAs, individual retirement accounts, allow individuals to contribute pre-tax dollars to a retirement account where investments grow tax-deferred until withdrawal during retirement. Upon retirement, withdrawals are taxed at the IRA owner's current income tax rate. The IRS assesses no capital gains or dividend income taxes until the beneficiary makes a withdrawal. Contribution limits exist: $6,000 for 2021 and 2022 for those under age 50, $7,000 for those 50 and older, and required minimum distributions must begin at age 72. Income thresholds may also apply. Contributions to a traditional IRA may be tax-deductible depending on the taxpayer's income, tax filing status, and other factors. Traditional IRAs are similar to Roth IRAs, with the biggest distinction being how the two are taxed. Traditional IRAs are funded with pre-tax dollars. This means that the contributions can be 100% tax-deductible. Just like with Roth IRAs, almost all brokerage firms offer traditional IRAs as well. I am currently using M1 Finance and Alto Crypto IRA for my two IRA accounts. Yes, you can invest in crypto through a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. Check out our Roth IRA video if you hadn't already. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.